how to create an email copywriting portfolio for your email copywriting service. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is MK Akan and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about email copywriting and how to make money with your copywriting skills. Since you are here, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos about copywriting and email copywriting. Now today's video is all about how to create an email copywriting portfolio for your service. So before I tell you how to do it and do it without spending money on websites or anything like that, let's talk a bit why email copywriting portfolios are important. A portfolio is simply samples of your copy. For example, an email copywriting portfolio will mean samples of your email copy that you have written for businesses. So you could have 10 different emails that are written for the client you want to work for, or email that are written for different niches, for different products. The whole idea behind having an email portfolio is that your potential client wants to see your work. The person wants to know if you can deliver good results. So if you have not gotten any job from any client, all you do is to look for different things you can write for. Look for a course you can write an email for. Look for an e-com product you want to write an email for. The bottom line is this: write the emails for the kind of clients you want to work for. So if you want to work for e-com clients, what you should do is to write emails for different e-com products. If you want to work for online coaches, write emails selling online courses and use that to create a portfolio. Okay, that's very, very important. Secondly, you can have different portfolios. You don't need to have one portfolio. You can have portfolio for email for a particular niche. You can have portfolio for your sales pages if you do that. You can have portfolio for your e-com. All right. So when a potential client asks for your portfolio, you can put together a quick portfolio and send to the person. The portfolio contains samples of the kind of emails you want to write for the person. So what can you use to create an email portfolio? You don't need to have a website. You don't need any special skill. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to use any special website. You can use Google Doc. Yes, Google Doc is a simple, easy, free tool you can use to create a portfolio. Why is Google Doc good? Because once again, your potential clients do not really care about where you have your portfolio. They care about your portfolio, the emails you have written. They want to know if you can get them results. And using Google Doc helps you to easily project your work. You can easily show them your work, and it's very easy to create. You can create it in minutes. Let me show you an example of a portfolio that I created using Google Doc. So this is just my portfolio. This is a portfolio that I have for my emails. These are different emails for different niches. Okay, I just prepared it for this for you. So Google Doc is a free tool. It's on your phone. Just go download it on Google Play Store or the Apple iOS. All right, it is there. It is free, and it is free for anybody who has a Gmail account. So how do you create your portfolio? Let me show you what I did here before I show you how to do it. Now, this is my portfolio and I have them numbered. Each of these links leads to a Google document with my email written for it. So let me open this. Let me click and open this first one. That is going to open to an email that I wrote for the male products, sex product for men. So this is an email that I wrote, and this is something I can show to my potential clients. Okay, it's a sample of an email. All right, so that is what I did there. I wrote the different emails and linked them on the main page. So this is another email here for an IM product. Okay, That will open also. All right, another email that I can show to a potential client. So each of these links will lead to an email. Okay, and what I did just after all of the links, I tried to explain what the link is all about. The first one says email for renowned men's health company. The second one says affiliate email for an IM offer. When writing your email and trying to describe it that way so that people or your target audience or your potential client can see what it is all about. Okay, so how do you create your email portfolio using Google Doc? Number one, you're going to write your different emails. Okay, first of all, write your emails. If you have 5 emails, write 5 emails on different pages. So open the first page in Google Doc, write the first email. Okay, then make that page shareable. How do you do that? You can, if you click on the top here, this where you have the human, the link there, you can make it shareable. Like mine is shareable already. Let me show you the other way you can do it. After creating a document, go to the 3 dots on the top corner of your page and then click on share and export. Now you can now click on share. That is how you can now set up your page. All right, so do this for every page that you have created with your email. So if you have 5 emails created on 5 pages, make it all shareable. Make 5 of them shareable. So if you go here, if I click on that here, it says manage access. Let me show you manage access. So I can decide to change this and say this is I want to make only this is restricted. So doing that means this is restricted. Then I want to show you how you can now share, because it was already shared. Let me start from the very beginning and show you how to turn the restricted page to an open page that anybody can view. So this is restricted. All right, so let me see if I can show you how to do that. So I can click on the very first icon here or use the 3 dots. And then if the page is restricted, you will have an option of selecting the kind of access you want people to have. You can get people to only view the page after they send, you give them access through email, or anybody with a link can view it. If you have 5 emails, make sure the 5 emails have access to everybody. Okay, then copy the link to each of the emails. Let me show you how to copy the link. It's taking some time, so let me cut it out. All right, so this is how you get the link to any page. You click and you click on share, and you can see there are different options. There is the share where you can go change the access, or you can manage access here, or go to copy link. Copy link gives you a link to each of those pages. Then open your final main page, just like this one here, and type out what the email is about on the description of each email. Then link each of the emails to what it is. Okay, your first email 1, type what it is, explain it, then link it to email 1. Same with email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5. Then to the main email portfolio page, make it also shareable. Okay, so something I did here. If I go to page here and I go to copy link, copy this link and send it to your target audience or your potential client. Or you can copy that link and create a bit.ly link for it. You can shorten it, okay, and then use that to send to potential clients, okay? Or you send it directly to them. It doesn't matter. They understand what a Google Doc link is. And that is how you create the portfolio. Very simple, very straightforward. You can have this link posted in your social media or pinned to the different parts of social media, and it works. Very simple. You don't have to spend money, you don't have to waste time, and you don't have to wait till you're able to do anything. So all you do is type and create links and make these pages accessible to your target audience. All right, so that is all I have for you today. The next thing is, do you know how to write these emails? Do you know how to write emails? If you want to learn how to write emails, I want you to go to the description of this video and click the links to download my free email copywriting videos, or go to the pinned comment on this video and you're going to get access to different copywriting videos, resources that can help you improve your copywriting skill. Once again, don't forget to like, to share, and to also subscribe to the channel to get more videos on email copywriting and how to make money with your email copywriting skill. Once again, thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.